Hey, what's up, everybody? Our family vacation retreat is coming up, and I wanted to tell you about the video contest that we're putting in place this year. Your ministry is invited to submit a 2-minute long video that follows the theme of the weekend that will be a part of a competition against every other ministry that's coming to family vacation that's submitting a video as well. This is going to be something that we're just hoping to have fun with. It's something that's going to be part of our opening ceremony on Friday night. So the idea is you get together with your friends in the next couple of weeks, produce something that's really entertaining, bring it, make everybody laugh, have a good time, or make some kind of profound point that brings a tear to my eye, and we will give you a prize for it if it beats everybody else. Let me give you a quick rundown of the rules here. Here's what we're asking, okay? We're asking that each ministry submit 1 2-minute video. So if you have a very large ministry, maybe you have a bunch of different people that have a bunch of different ideas and they think theirs is the best. Well, before you come to family vacation, you tell all of those individuals or those little groups to go make a video, and then you guys get together, or you throw them up online or whatever. You guys look at those and you choose the best one. You vote in your ministry which video should represent your ministry, so you make sure you're coming to the retreat with the best one, okay? So you want to bring 1 2-minute video, not more than one, okay? Just one per ministry. Secondly, the video needs to follow the theme of the weekend. And our theme for this year is cancel culture. Kingdom is greater than culture. Kingdom greater than culture. So the idea of this retreat at family vacation is that there is a culture or a calling, things that God calls good, things that God calls bad. Then there's things the world calls good and the world calls bad. And those ideas clash a lot of times. And so the topics and the speakers and the keynotes are going to show you throughout the Bible and throughout just the history of followers of Jesus and followers of God, there's been this conflict between people who are trying to honor God with their lives and with the world around us. We're going to be talking very poignantly about how that shows up in our culture today, what the battlegrounds are in our culture today, and we're just going to be talking through some things the Bible has to say about different topics. But the whole idea is the kingdom culture should always be greater than the worldly culture around us for followers of Christ. And so if you want to make a theme video that deals with that topic, again, it can be entertaining, it can be funny. I like those the best, the funny ones. Or it could just be something that makes a really good point. Those are the kinds of videos that we're going to be looking for this year, okay? Thirdly, videos will be shown on Friday evening at the retreat, and we're going to choose a winner at the retreat. So somebody's going to get a prize, and if this goes well, this will be something we make just part of the family vacation retreat tradition, where we do this on opening night, and it'll be something we can look forward to and have fun with. But remember, when you're making your video, this isn't to get people to come to family vacation. This isn't necessarily something we're just going to put on the internet as a promotion. This is something that is catered for that audience Friday night that's at the retreat. That's who is going to be the audience for your video. So keep that in mind as you're making it. One last note on a technical front, make sure that you put your video file in an MP4 format and put it on a thumb drive, and bring your thumb drive to the retreat so we can easily get it on the multimedia computers to play. Please don't bring your video on a phone. Don't bring it in some weird format or from some weird app. We need it in an MP4 format on a thumb drive in order to use it. So look forward to seeing you guys. Retreat's not too far off in Lake Ozark, Missouri. It's going to be fun. Love y'all, and we'll see you soon.